Why does your scanner show the P2793 engine code? What does it mean? P2793 is a diagnostic trouble code for gear shift direction circuit. The P2793 engine code for indicate. When the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, or Transmission Control Module, TCM, registers an unexpected voltage, electrical short, under this circumstance stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty shift lever or selector assembly, damaged wiring or harness, faulty body or transmission control module, defective range or neutral safety sensor, short-circuited auxiliary switches. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury Milan. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.